Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel, One Mosey. Today we're gonna be doing some fire starters. Something that's gonna help us get that fire going in any situation we find ourselves in. Stay tuned. What you're gonna need first is a cotton ball, and then you're gonna wanna open it up and spread it as such. You wanna get it to look kind of like this. What I'm gonna do is grab some wood and do some shavings. Small pieces, just like that. Some sawdust, shavings. From here, what you wanna do is, you wanna pick up some shavings, a little bit amount, and just sprinkle it in there, as such. Up and roll up your cotton ball, put all that wood in it. Just a little bit of amount like I showed you just now. I'm gonna place it at the bottom of the cup. Wood. And just sprinkle it around in there, as such. Just like that. Okay, from here you want to heat up your wax. So you turn on a little candle here, and you start heating your wax up as such. That's how I'm doing it. Once it has all melted, just go ahead and drop it all in there, in this little cup. Place it in the fridge for a second. Hardening up a bit, take it out of the fridge. Probably something that you're not gonna need. And put it in there as such. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is, we're gonna press it down. And press it down. Just like that. Now we're gonna let things cool off a little bit. And then we're gonna add more wax on top of that, just to cover the ends and make it look pretty. Alright, let's let this cool down. It's looking good. Pop it back in the fridge for another 15 or 20 minutes. Come check on it from time to time. Still feels warm. Put it back in, it's not done. While we're waiting for all that to settle, I just want to mention that it's super important to have some sort of fire starter. You're not always gonna have a lighter or matches or something like that, but this is something that you build and keep with you indefinitely. I mean, it's waterproof, it's a little puck, you know, it's gonna look like a puck after take. Make like 5 or 3 of them, 5 of them. Throw one in your car, throw one wherever you need it. You never know. It's awesome to have for barbecue days as well. Sometimes you're not gonna have charcoal. All you have is branches around you, wet branches. Take that, put it in there, kaboom, it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna put it to the test and see how well it does work. I went ahead and put it in the freezer at this point. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's definitely ready. Now I gotta figure out a way to get this out of here. Let's okay. Wow, my knife could use some sharpening, that's for sure. You gotta find a way to pop this off. That is awesome. You have all your wax at the bottom, your cotton ball in the middle, your wood on the top, and your cotton right here in the middle. And what you want to do at this point is take a knife or something sharp and just pick at this cotton a little bit, as such. Just pick at it like this, and we're gonna go put it to the test. Very cute little puck. I'm gonna put it in there. All right, so from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and start it with our fire starter right here. So as you can see, it turned on. And let's see how long it stays on for. All the dried up sticks, and put them all in there. And as you can see, it makes for an awesome fire starter. Very cheap fire starter. And then you will have a continuous fire. A well lit one. That about does it, y'all. Join me on my channel, One Mosey, for some more awesome adventures. More look nice in there.